There are a number of different tools that you can use to measure your web application's performance. Most major browsers today ship with development tools either built in or through plugins that allow you to measure the performance of an application. For Firefox, the best such add-in is called Firebug, and it can be used in concert with another add-in called YSlow that will grade an application's performance using a number of different rules established by Yahoo. Google Chrome has something called Speed Tracer, and IE9 has developer tools built in as well. Other versions of IE offer add-ins and similar tools. And then of course you can also use Visual Studio to perform some similar tasks, as well as to record them as part of your performance and load testing strategy. Let's look at some screenshots of these applications showing my blog. First, here's an example of Firefox with the Firebug add-in open. I'm looking at the Net tab here, and you can see all the different requests that went into fetching this page. You can also see that YSlow is running down below, and the entire page loaded in a little over a second. Now if we open up YSlow itself, it will show us some additional information. In this case you can see that it has graded the particular page based on a number of different metrics on an A through F scale. In addition, it's provided an overall performance score for the page of 74 out of 100 and given it a total grade of C. Looking at another browser now, we can see that the Google Chrome Speed Tracer view is showing me the same kind of thing. In this case, it's looking at the network resources for the initial as well as each subsequent dependent request required in order to render this page. You can see something similar in Internet Explorer as well. In this case, I'm using IE9's developer tools, and you can see much the same kind of view here with the network tab, showing how long each request took and what the various HTTP result codes and sizes of each resource were. Now if we run this same web test in Visual Studio using a web performance test, we'll see some results like this, showing us similar information about the request and all of its dependent requests.